numbers according to strings that have the same letters. Maybe.
Okay, you're guessing now, and never do that.
Each section has a different encryption key.
Honey, you're freaking out. Hello, honey, do you even hear me?
No. Yes. That's it. There is no point in him saying something unless we can hear it. So the code has to be simple. Forget encryption keys. I am totally overthinking this. Make it disappear. Back to the drawing board here, Ange.
Okay. Dazzle me with your progress.
Well, I paid a visit to the museum and found a security cam blind spot the exterminator was talking about.
Please tell me, you found the killer's driver's license and a complete set of prints.
No, but I did find this.
Great. These minty fresh, good to know.
No. Let me see, huh?